with all the drivers, one of the biggest requests we get is about sound and impact sound and how that relates to feel. So rather than tell you guys, oh, it's this or oh, it's that, we thought we'd bring it down to the range and have a little sound test like we've been doing lately. We have the Cleveland Classic here lined up, and we're going to hit 2 balls, and you'll just get a chance to hear the impact sound. That one was hit really well, so that should be a pretty good judge of what we're hearing. And we're going to hit a different one here, just so you get a second kind of tone at it. Both of those were hit pretty good. You can hear it's got a nice good crack with a tiny bit of high-pitched sound built in. Hope this helps you guys make your decision. Thanks.